Hey everyone, welcome to Math Magnet. Learn, grow, achieve.
Today, we will quickly understand pairs of linear equations. So let's just dive right into this. We've got the ultimate graphical and algebraic revision masterclass lined up for you, and it's going to get you entirely prepped and ready for those exams.
You know, it's actually amazing how easily we can translate the real world straight into math. We use the standard form for this, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0. And hey, here's a massive pro tip to just keep in your back pocket right off the bat. The word linear, it literally always means straight line. Every single linear equation draws exactly one straight line. Simple as that.
Now, when you draw two of these lines together on a graph, they basically face one of three destinies. First, they can intersect at exactly one single point, which gives you a unique solution. Second, they might just lie right on top of each other. We call this coincident, meaning there are infinitely many solutions. Or, third, they can run totally parallel, giving you absolutely zero solutions. No way they'll ever meet.
But let's be real. What if you don't have the time to sit there and draw out a graph? Well, memorize this cheat code. By simply comparing the A, B, and C ratios, you can instantly predict if the lines are going to intersect, overlap, or run parallel. And you can do all of that without touching a single piece of graph paper. It is an absolute game changer.
Okay, but what happens when your coordinates give you messy decimals, or those super tricky fractions? Yeah, ditch the graph paper entirely. This is where we bring in our true algebraic lifesavers, the substitution method and the elimination method.
So let's look at substitution in action. Step 1, you just isolate a variable, like let's take x from equation 2 here. Step 2, you take that expression and plug it directly into equation 1. Just watch how elegantly this whole thing collapses down into a single variable equation. It quickly gives you the answer for y. And then? Well, you just plug it right back in to find x. Boom, done.
All right, now let's talk about the sheer power of elimination. By multiplying the equations so that the y coefficients match perfectly, we can just subtract them and bam, the y variable is completely destroyed. Gone. It's honestly a beautifully fast way to find your final answers, just like these income values right here.
Wait a second. What if your variables completely vanish while you're solving? Seriously, don't panic. If you're left with a true statement, something like 18 equals 18, well, the lines are coincident. Infinitely many solutions. But if you get a false statement, that means parallel lines, so absolutely no solution. Plus, you'll definitely want to keep these essential translation hacks handy. They're perfect for instantly turning those tricky word problems about ages, fractions, and digits into super easy algebra.
Finally, go ahead and take a quick screenshot of this master mind map. It beautifully connects everything we've talked about today, from the graphical methods all the way to our algebraic blueprints. Save it, review it, and absolutely crush those exams. Hope this quick revision helped you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Math Magnet for more easy math explainers. But right before you go, ask yourself this. If a system of equations models two cars driving on a highway, what does it physically mean when they have no solution?